Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so today's video is being brought to you guys by Luvme Hair, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys seen in the beginning, this unit is from Luvme Hair. So this is their 14-inch cinnamon spice curly frontal, and I just think it is so freaking pretty. I love the way this looks. I love it worn like this. I feel like this wild look, like, for me is just, I don't know, like, I feel like it fits my face a lot more, and then it fits like my style a lot more. I mean, I like straight sleek styles, but I don't know, this is cute. You could also wear it like wet if you would like to, but I'm just feeling this style, like, because it looks so cute on the website. I was like, oh, I have to do it like that. So anywho, let's just get right into it. So this hair is really soft. I did receive a little bit of shedding and a little bit of tangling, which is to be expected because this is a curly texture. So what I did with this hair was I did go in and bleach the knots, and I also washed the hair and conditioned it, and I let it dry, and then I came back on camera and styled it for you guys. Okay, so I did let it completely dry before you know, running my fingers through it and everything, but it definitely looked good like when it was wet down as well. So like I say, you have that as an option too, but I really do like it. As far as like the density on the hairline, it's pretty good. You probably would want to go in and customize it a little bit more, but it's not bad. Like, you can wear it without customizing it. I did not customize it myself, and I feel like it looks fine. As you guys can see, I did just add some dramatic baby hair, and I just wanted to do that because it's just what I wanted to do. You don't have to do it by any means if you don't like it or if you don't want to. But overall, I like this unit. It's just like really soft and just beautiful. Like, I love the color. Like, they did an amazing job on the color, and although this hair is colored, like, it's not dry. Like, you can still feel the moisture in this hair. Like, even before I washed and conditioned it, like, it wasn't like dry and fried. So yeah, overall I would definitely recommend this style. It's just super duper cute. I love this like long bob curly type of look, especially with this color. Like, this color is just giving me yes, because I just love the way it kind of like complements my skin tone. I feel like it goes with my skin tone well, even though usually I like something with roots, but this looks really good. Like, I would definitely highly recommend it. They did a great color job without like damaging the hair or anything. So yeah, this is definitely a win. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out, and make sure you go ahead and check out their website for all the specs and all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. Would you try this ginger color? How do you think it looks on me? Just leave me a comment. I would love to know your thoughts, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.